Hi, this is the presentation of Group 3. We are talking about different study experience of students in China and the United States. And there could be a lot of motivations of studying in university. And there could be also a huge difference in the study experience caused by the different motivations. From our perspective and experience in both Chinese university and American university, Chinese universities are hard to apply, but after enrolling in the university system, it is easy to graduate since the scaling system of degree is a little bit low. According to the New York Times, students in China were partially forced to pay too much time on the examinations related with applying for university that sometimes they even regard the university life as relaxing and entertaining. In other words, many Chinese students have no motivation but only the strong hope of their parents to make them keeping studying. As a Chinese student who has experienced the final examination in China, I have to admit that applying for an American university is easy. However, I faced the biggest challenge of my life after I entered a university in the United States. The challenge is as difficult as the Chinese final examination for me, and it even requires me to stay up late more than the serious education system in China did. However, I keep studying without giving up, and so do my friends and my peers. The chance to change the world and change our lives gives us the best motivation to learn more and achieve more. According to Natasha Lakes, Chinese students need to be encouraged to be autonomy and independent. And the ideas of being independent could be the best benefits I have since I came to America. The independent thoughts not only give me the motivation of learning, but the dreams to achieve more and create more with my peers.
And the second part we are talking about is the different study habits and the performance. Among the study habits and performance, Chinese students and American students have relatively large difference compared with the students in American university. Peers in Chinese university could have a better performance when they are confirmed with tasks and examinations, visuals. American students behave better in application and critical thinking. According to Carly Chen, the major insight of the difference is the conflict between traditional Chinese teaching and the Western ideas, such as self-rule. Because of the standardized talent selection methods, most of the Chinese students focus on the model answers. In contrast, owing to the difference of history and uh, variable, American students incline to practice and creative something. Moreover, Chinese students are more likely to depend on their environment, such as instruction from teachers and parents' supervision, while American students pay more attention on automatic and make their own decisions. As a transfer student, I used to be a typical Chinese student before I arrived at US. Without consistency of self-study, most of my learning tasks was arranged by professors. However, majority of the peers I met in America are automatic. They love to explore the extra material related to the course.
At present, the university in America already own the highest level hardware facilities in the world. In contrast, China's colleges are improving their education and the facilities rapidly. This is a news from New York Times, which tells about the recent educational status of the mainland China's universities at 2014. Though the reporters mentioned the facility shortage in China's universities. Nowadays, China's universities create a lot of different than that of China's university at 21. In U.S., though there are lots of critical voice about the teaching assistants, American universities still offer the opportunities of having this academic experience for an undergraduate student. However, this is kind of positions is rare in China's university. The universities in China only choose professors for the course teaching. And there is the sources.